And welcome back. I am preparing dinner, just like this is the pork recipe that my mom used to always make, and I am keeping that. I'm just missing a few ingredients like green pepper and green onion. I guess just 2 of them. So, but we will be able to make it work. I am marinating it right now. And it's a very simple, traditional yet delicious recipe. You can honestly use any part of pork you like if you like the fatty part, you can use that, but I'm using the lean cutlet style that I cut it into small pieces. And I'm marinating. What do you want?
Paperwork.
Also, I have a surprise for you when you come down later on. I'll show you guys the surprise. I was saying that you can use whatever piece of cut you like. I like less fatty. I don't know, I have always enjoyed less fatty part. So that's what I'm using here. And just give it a nice gentle massage. Oops. You okay? And then I'm gonna cut up some onion, tomatoes, green chilies, and all that stuff. Surprise that I have for him is this chess set from A&A Chess, and Mayang is gonna be over the moon. Is what I was gonna say, over the moon when he sees this, because I'll tell you all the details about it, but Mayang has always enjoyed playing chess with his dad. He grew up playing chess with his dad, so, and we didn't have a chess set, so he's gonna be very excited with this. And I always played chess, but I'm not very good at it. Like, I'm not like a very smart chess player. But I really want to learn it now. The ingredients are pretty simple. I cut up some big pieces of onion, tomato, green chilies, and if you have green peppers, then go ahead and add that. You literally just add the whole thing to the pan. The marinated pork, you add it to the pan and let it cook like 80%. And then you add your onions and stuff, because you don't want to overcook the onions, tomato, your veggies basically. And this is such a flavorful dish. So if you guys want the recipe, let me know, and then if somebody says yes, then I will just put it in the description box below. And or I might just actually put it in the description box below, so you guys don't have to worry about it. And I want to open the chest box and show it to you right now, but I'm gonna wait a little bit so that I want to see Mayang's expression when he sees this box. This is ready. Just look at it. Look at the char it got. I love it. Letting it cool down, and then I'm gonna taste it.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes. Just eat it with some hot rice, and then it's delicious. Yes, baby.
Pee-pee. I'm going to say.
Okay. Let's cool it down. It's so flavorful. With some warm rice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, hold on. Stay there, sir. Marvel, I've already given you Cheetos. Alright, are you ready to see what is it? Ta-da!
Mara, did you see that? Wow.
So he has grown up playing chess with his dad, right?
Yes.
Let's open and
never
see.
defeated him.
You never defeated him?
No. And we had a chessboard from my nani, which is basically, for those who don't know, my grandmom on my mom's side. And wait, was it my nani or my daddy? Somebody. One of my grandparents gave the chess, which looked like this. So I'm excited to open it. It has a chess and the checkers.
Let's open it.
Okay. Where's our chess? Oh wow. This thing is really heavy.
Because it's solid wood, babe.
let's see how it feels. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it comes. It has this very nice card. Finest chess sets, it says. It does. Look at the detailing. I really love the little detailing. You open these.
So basically this has like a latch so that it's nice and secured.
Look at the way you can organize everything in here, and
Marble.
you can latch it back. So definitely a cool piece to carry around. It feels like a very nice solid wood Wiener pieces. Let me check out the pieces. Look at that.
So basically these are like solid pieces, and look at the texture, and it's just so and also the best part is they are paint free, so you have no smell of paint or any of those. It's all natural wood color. Here, where does this go?
This one here. Yeah. So I am really excited because for those who don't know, we are planning our parents to visit next year.
Yeah.
So this is a really good surprise, and I'm gonna keep this safe, I guess, forever. And I'll play with my parents, but I'm also excited to teach Aiden as he grows how to play chess. So that would be really cool.
But I love that you can lock it and everything is safe in here. It's not gonna come out or fall.
Yeah, and the best piece is, like, I have had the chessboards where they're not cut out and laid this properly. They are just like empty hollow box and things just move around, right? Yeah. Versus this is like properly aligned, fixed, and then you can just lock it. Your pieces are not gonna get, you know, scratched or tainted. And then also broken.
The pieces are very heavy, so it's not gonna fall off the board, kind of thing. Like, dinner is ready. Can you also? Oh, I'll get my phone. Dinner is ready. Let me show you my plate. Ooh. We have dal, rice, and pork. It's going to be delicious. You can check out the description box below for the recipe of this pork. I will definitely put it there. But yeah, you have meat on your plate. I didn't ask me, do you have meat?
Do you have meat?
Yeah.
No, don't have. Don't have meat.
Yeah, you don't have meat, Daddy.
What do I have?
Potatoes.
Potatoes. So Mayank doesn't eat pork, that's why he made potatoes for himself. And Aiden is like, do you have meat? No, you don't have meat, you have potatoes. Aiden and mommy has meat. Look, mommy has meat. Just like Aiden's. Yummy.
Potatoes? What?
And also the link for the chest will be in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. And for now, we're gonna go enjoy our dinner. This has bone. So good. And did you like it?
Okay.
Yeah, I also love it. It's so good. I did not make it spicy because I thought I would eat, but I was not sure. But so okay, so you guys just fell on my plate. Yeah, I did not make it spicy because I was also gonna eat it, and I gave some to Nitish. It's so good. Good morning. It is the next day. I don't know what happened yesterday, but I went to bed and after dinner I forgot to end the vlog. But yeah, we went to bed. So and this morning when we woke up, Aiden wanted to eat. He said, I want to eat Maggi noodles for breakfast. So I was like, okay, fine. So we made him Maggi noodles and he's eating while I am working. And alright, for lunch I'm preparing lunch right now, and I'm like so confused. I don't know what to make because I haven't gone grocery shopping. But I think found some stuff to make pasta salad. It's going to be a deconstructed pasta salad. So let's try it. Baby, can you just leave it right there? Okay, you done? Some cucumber, onion, tomato, a can of chickpea that I'm draining here. I'm gonna boil some pasta. I really wanted to add some feta cheese, and it was expired in my fridge, so I had to throw that. And then I really wanted to add cilantro, but I don't have that. Really wanted to add parsley, but I don't have that. So let's see. What? I might add the dried parsley. And for dressing, I have this Olive Garden dressing. This is their signature Italian dressing. I absolutely love this for my pasta salad. What else should I add? I don't have olives. I mean, I'm missing a lot of stuff. So let's try to make something good out of it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Wow. I'm making a salad for you.
Thank you.
Fruits. These are fruits, Mama. These potato, onion, cucumber. Where's the salad go? Mommy, yummy. Very yummy. Add it.
Mix it slowly.
What's this?
Parsley.
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 Parsley. Parsley. What's this?
Garlic powder.
Garlic or powder. Do you like cucumber? Do you like cucumbers?
Yes.
Do you like apples?
Yeah, I do like
Do
apples.
you like pineapple? Do you like items to eat? Right.
Did you mix it nicely?
Yummy. Job! Mama, you corrected! Yay! You could not drop the cookie. Mama, eat.
It's hot. Take the steam. Nice.
Even in my face. Bleh. I don't get steam to eat. It's mixing. Oh, Mama, you cannot do it.
I'm sorry.
It's pasta. Let me try it. Try it. It's very yummy.
Good job. I guess I made a good pasta. He loves it.
You want to try it?
That's cheese. You try it. No, you try it. That's it.
You try it.
Don't use your hand. Hold on. I need to go give it to Daddy and then we can continue eating, okay?
Let me try it.
Yeah. Anyways, today is Friday, so happy Friday. I forgot to say, you guys. And next weekend on Saturday we are celebrating Aiden's birthday, but his birthday is actually on Wednesday because it's a weekday. We are doing it on weekend, but we plan to take him to his favorite place, which is to the animals. So that's it, baby. Let me get a bowl and serve. Come out. So yeah, and tomorrow is Saturday, so we are gonna go see the house. We'll take you guys along with us. Today the deep cleaning is happening, so it's in the final stages. The deep cleaning is happening, and then after that It's all the final punch outs. So we are so excited because this month the house is gonna be absolutely ready. I sent Mayank and Aiden to the store to get some stuff because we were not sure what to do for dinner. But then we decided, and I saw Jigra movies here on Netflix. So we are very excited to watch Jigra tonight. And me and Aiden is gonna eat sushi. I'm gonna eat sushi bake, like a salmon rice bowl, and Mayank is gonna eat Maggi noodles with veggies. So that's what I am prepping while they're gone to get salmon. I'm gonna cook the salmon the same way. It's just for Aiden, I'm gonna make it into a sushi, and for myself, I'll do a salmon bowl. So that's what I'm doing, and enjoying some cookie here.
Alright guys, so Aiden and I went to the store and got salmon because he wanted to eat sushi, and he is right now.
I was trying it. It's good or not for you?
He's making sushi with her. Aiden, oh, come on baby, away from the knife now. That's his plate. So she made 2 rolls for him.
Are you happy?
And she's gonna have some salmon with rice, with all these things, and kimchi.
Why is that?
And I'm gonna have noodles, which are cooking here. So that is the dinner plan. Today is Friday, and once Aiden goes to bed, we plan to see the new movie on Netflix, Jigra. And I don't even know who is in that.
Alia Bhatt.
Oh, Alia Bhatt. Okay. And then it's a very exciting weekend, so stay tuned for the future vlogs.
Salmon bowl is ready here. Mayank's Maggi is ready. Aiden is eating his sushi. So
Yes.
look at it. Yummy. Yeah.
You can put it all in.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Otherwise it will break.
Yeah, and chew it. Anyways, I will see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below, and do try that out.